Now, moving ahead with the program, I would like to call upon our advisor, Janab Bashir Ahmed Sab IAS, to please address the gathering. Janab Bashir Ahmed is a retired IAS officer. He was a district collector for Teni district. He was a secretary of social wealth and advisory member of the Minorities Commission. He was the member secretary of state finance, and he has been an advisor for the Ikhlas IAS Academy. I now request him to please address the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum. Bashir Ahmed is my name. I thank you for the intro. It's indeed a great pleasure. I would like to thank all for having been present on this online mode. Nearly 243 people are online, I believe. It's a good number. I wish it goes higher also. The very purpose of this is to see people are brought into the examination mode. The civil service examination is an interesting examination where you learn, relearn, and finally come out with what is that you can contribute to the society. In other words, உன்னை படைத்தது என்னை வணங்குவதற்காக என்று அல்லாஹ் சொல்லுகின்றான். இதை திரும்ப திரும்ப நாம் கேட்கிறோம். என்னை வணங்குவதற்காக என்றால் என்னுடைய படைப்பினங்கள், நான் படைத்த உயிரினங்கள், நான் படைத்த மனிதர்கள், அவர்களுக்கான நன்மையை செய்வதும் என்னை வணங்குவதுதான் என்று ஒரு இடத்துல அல்லாஹ் சுட்டி காட்டுகின்றான். அந்த வேலையை நாம் செய்ய வேண்டும் என்றால் அரசு பணிகளில் இருந்தால் அதிகமாக செய்யலாம் என்பது என்னுடைய கருத்து. அரசு பணிகளிலே ஒருவருக்கு நாம் உதவி செய்வது சட்டதிட்டங்களுக்கு உட்பட்டு அவர்களை மகிழ்விக்கும் வண்ணம் செய்வதற்கான வாய்ப்புகள் அதிகம். ஒரு உதாரணத்தை நான் சொல்லுகின்றேன். இந்த கோவிட்-19 பாதிப்பிலே ஏறத்தாழ 60 நாட்களுக்கு மேலாக முடங்கி கிடக்கின்றோம். முடங்கி கிடக்கின்ற இந்த நிலையிலே யாருக்கு நாம் உதவி செய்ய முடியும்? உணவற்ற ஏழைகளுக்கு உணவு அளிக்க முடியும். வாழ வசதியற்ற ஏழைகளுக்கு பொருள் உதவி செய்ய முடியும். அவர்களுக்காக அரசு துறைகளிலிருந்து பெற்றுத்தரக்கூடிய பலன்களை நாம் பெற்றுத்தர முடியும். ஒரு இடத்திலிருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்திற்கு செல்வதற்கு பாஸ் எடுக்க வேண்டும் என்று சொல்லுகின்றார்கள். அந்த பாஸ் எடுப்பதற்கு என்ன செய்ய வேண்டும் என்று சாதாரண மனிதர்களுக்கு தெரியாது. ஆன்லைனில் பெறலாம் என்று சொல்வார்கள். ஆன்லைனிலே அதற்கான விதிமுறைகள் என்னவென்று அரசு துறையில் இருப்பவர்கள் சிறப்பாக செய்து தரும். உடல் நலத்தை பேணுவதற்கு மருத்துவ வசதிகள், மருத்துவ உதவிகள் எப்படி என்பதும் அதன் மூலம் தெரிய வாய்ப்பு இருக்கின்றது. அரசு பணிகளிலே இருப்பது நமக்கு மிகவும் மிகவும் அவசியம். It is essential that we get into the government service to serve the people and also serve Allah to a great extent. Most important point is we had in the past 8 years 278 boys and 38 girls. I had been always advocating that more number of girls should come into the stream. Islamic way of living and Islamic way of administration, Islamic way of supporting people is very, very essential. Because before you die, you have to be very clear in your mind that I have done whatever I have been asked to do, whatever I have been destined to do, and whatever I have been, why Allah has created me for this. What is my contribution to the people? That is more important. So 278 boys have studied with us, 38 girls have studied with us. The statistics will be more interesting to you. Of the 38 girls, 10 girls have come into government services. 10 girls have come into government services. And 73 boys have got into government service. Of the prime, on top of all, Indian Audit and Administration Account Services, we have one, and deputy collectors from the state civil service, we have 2. DSPs, we have 2, and we have a lot of people into commercial taxes and other various departments of the government. In the central services also we have people. They have been employed in various categories. On top of it, we had nearly 23 Group 2, Group 3 services. And Group 4 services online, we have nearly 39 candidates who have got it successful. Some of them have not joined. That's a different issue. But they had been successful. That is an indication saying that you can easily get through these examinations, provided you put a little bit of concentrated effort. That is all. What is concentrated effort? Many of you have got very colorful marks and got into engineering, got into medicine or whatever the choice courses. But still, when you get into the competitive examination mode, you have to do a basic fundamental upgradation of your knowledge. This basic upgradation of knowledge is not at all difficult, because 8th standard onwards plus to 12th standard, plus 2 standard, 8th to plus 2 standard books are to be thoroughly imbibed by you. It is to be just absorbed, and whatever questions asked wherever from, you must be able to clearly analyze and answer correctly. Just I will put you one small question. We all appreciate there is a Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the wonders. But for building the Taj Mahal, what is essential? Some say this, that, and engineering plan, etc., etc. What is essential is a stone. What is a stone? How it should be, how it should not wither away, how it should withstand the onslaught of all the conditions, weather conditions, and how it will be unique. So what sort of a rock you should choose? Should you choose igneous rock? Should you choose a metamorphic rock, or should you choose something else? So only if you have a basic knowledge, see, the marble is a metamorphic rock. So somebody who has knowledge about it, somebody who has read about it, somebody who has learnt about it, will know it easily. So you need not be a student of geology for this purpose. So you need not be a student of petrology for this purpose. You have to have a general knowledge that such and such thing will match with such and such thing. This is what is expected of a person preparing for competitive examination, especially All India Service Examinations. So I started with what you can contribute somewhere and how you should be able to do, and what is the basic requirements. We had been conducting examinations to choose candidates. Nearly 700 people will give an application, of which nearly 190 to 350 will be the range who will take up the examination, of which the persons who pass through the examination will be hardly about 55 to 60. Of the 55 to 60, we will call for an interview and choose about 25 people. Of the 25 people, 10 people will definitely get into some service or other, but we want you to get into All India service. We want you to get into Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission's top service. We don't mind. We don't mind training you for all things, all other things also. But the aim is that you should come into the cream of service. You should get into All India service. You should get into state service in the top run. Then only you will be more useful to the society at the decision-making level. You know what is the condition that is prevailing today. You have to be in the government. You have to be in the government at top level to give guidance to others. The society is in need of you. Islamic society, Muslims, large number of them are poor. Large number of them are below poverty lines. Large number of them need support even today. As soon as we got independence, and I remember it was the amendment in 1950 or so, they said scheduled castes, Adi Dravidas and others who have converted into Christianity or who have converted into Islam are not entitled for the communal allocation, the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe allocation. So that is one area where poor people who have come into Islam were not able to get into service with that old banner. Now, these people will have to work very hard and compete with the other open competition candidates and come up in life. And some of you who have done engineering, some of you who have done other price educations are above the average level or above the higher middle income category. This is what I would call you. You have to work multifold, very hard to see that your stability, your status is maintained and you just go above that, not fall below. You cannot go to become a chai wala, you cannot go to become a rickshaw wala, you cannot go to become a vegetable vendor. No, that is not the idea. But today, when there is an announcement for watchman's job, when there is an announcement for a sweeper's job in the court or in any other department, large number of engineering graduates are applying for it. Postgraduates in engineering are applying for it. Is it the situation this education has given you? It is the situation the education is bestowed on you. So what you should do? So you should see that about 250 people have come into this online course. I hope most of them are Muslims. Some non-Muslim brothers are also there, sisters are also there. You bring in more number of people. You bring in another 500 people, another 1,000 people or 2,000 people, whatever is possible. Let them also learn what is the examination trend. What is the pattern through which you can work hard and then crack these examinations. Once you crack the examination, then you are successful. Whichever job you want to take in the private sector or on the government sector, you will be welcomed by anybody because you know the fundamentals, you know the basics, you know what is required in the society to deal with it. So this is the basic point I wanted to share with you. We had online courses earlier also, but I should thank COVID-19 because everybody is going online. Everybody want to be online, and somebody really takes it seriously, somebody doesn't take it seriously. But those who are taking it seriously, they will be very successful. So please study very hard. Please learn these things. Come for a competitive examination to get selected for courses. Nearly 50 candidates will be trained with food and facility in the Ikhlas IAS Academy itself. 50 or 25. The number I am not very clear now. Rest of them will have facility to study in the daytime classes, day scholars, and they will also have courses online. Women, whoever wants to take up this challenge, please take it. We will find a solution for you in due course of time. So I wish you success. And you may be listening to Mr. Nandakumar, and you may be listening to Mr. Siddiq, and you may be listening to Shakil Akhtar Saab. You may be listening to Mr. Nadeem also, and some other important faculties. They will give you a lot of insights into the program. I wish this program is more successful. I wish more number of students, more number of girls and boys come into this stream, learn it, make use of it, and whoever comes into it, they'll be able to gain success. I'll also put a small example to you. Somebody goes to a movie. In the movie, somebody is concentrating on the dialogues. Somebody is concentrating on the photography. Somebody is concentrating on the script. Somebody is concentrating on the songs. Somebody is concentrating on the actors. Somebody is concentrating on the actress. Ultimately, the overall view of the movie is also taken into consideration. So if you come into this, you may know which is the subject you are interested. Whether you are interested in geology, zoology, botany, or chemistry, or Tamil or English, where you will be able to focus yourself better and then learn it. But general knowledge is more important. Your aptitude is more important. In the paper 2, general knowledge paper 2, you have 33% marks to be secure on your aptitude and sharpness. That is a qualifying paper. Paper 2, if you pass, your paper 1 will be valued. Your paper 1 marks will count for your admission into the main examination. So this is the preliminary stage. I want you to concentrate on this preliminary stage and get through the examination first. Most important. Please do all the best. Thank you.
Jazakumullah khair, Bashir Sahab. Those were indeed gems of practical applications. If we follow, we can succeed, inshallah. And as Bashir Sahab has rightly mentioned, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in the Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. We have not created the jinn and the men except to worship me. And that worship is not just worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a Lord, but also in extending the help through what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided us to the community, how we can benefit as an individual to the community, how as an individual I am helpful to the community that makes it more important. And those were beautiful points which Bashir Sab has mentioned, how we need to get into the All India civil services to serve the community more than being a medical professional or an engineering professional or an accounts professional. Being in All India civil services, the help that an individual can bring about in the community exceeds all the other professionals. And how someone who has taken the opportunity which was presented by this COVID-19 situation has seriously benefited. I could give you an example which we are using today. The Zoom application, the revenue of Zoom has skyrocketed in these couple of months. They have able to multiply their revenues. They have utilized the situation to garner their revenues. And also Amazon, which has amassed so much of wealth that they have started buying in a lot of other companies. And the final example, which was very, very, very important, of how you focus towards learning and the general knowledge is important in securing you a seat in the civil services sector.